French researcher Sophie Rousseau, who graduated in political science from New York University, is presently working for her master's in political sociology from Paris. In this context, she is conducting a research on citizen participation in the maintenance of law and order in Karachi. Sharing her findings at Alliance Francaise, she said that citizens here have been actively engaged in trying to make the city safer. On the basis of fieldwork carried out by her in the metropolis, Sophie Rousseau noted that Karachiites and law enforcing agencies work together. Observing that armed businessmen were carrying out raids with army, rangers and police, she said that citizens were not really supposed to be doing that. She noted, here businessmen have turned into criminologists with great expertise in the field of policing, and they know how terrorists operate. She said that in France, SHOs or DIGs were not known to people. They have no relationship with citizens and people don't care who they are. Sophie Rousseau noted that on the contrary, Pakistanis have very strong relationship with the hierarchy of the law enforcing agencies. Admitting that CPLC has been very successful, she observed that people on the street actually don't know about it.